Hi everyone, it's Sherry with Studio 28E, and I'm here to let you know about a free sample invitation I got from Globleland. All you need is 100 YouTube subbies. Basically, it's like BB Craft, and you need to choose products up to a total of $40. Do 3 videos. 1 would be unboxing, and 2 would be tutorials using the products that you received, and then posting the videos on YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, or other social media. And you can also, you don't need to speak in these videos, but you do need to list the item numbers and reference Globland's homepage link, and send the videos to marketing@globland.com. So if you go to their site at globleland.com, and you can look for their, I'm not sure if they call it a collaboration program or what, but basically, like I said, it's the same as BB Craft, if you're familiar with that. So they carry a line of cling stamps, stencils, and a lot of other items too. Oh gosh, my mind went blank. Oh, dies, and you want to check them out. I don't know if they have a lot of jewelry stuff like BB Craft, but mostly it's artistic products. So the first item I got was DIY WH016756U, and it's a set of stamps. Has with a mermaid and seashells and corals, a seahorse, the mermaid's tail, some more coral, school of fish, a whale with some flowers on the back, and some seashells and bubbles. Those little bubbles are cute. That would make a great accent to a journal, to a birthday card, a memory book you'd like to make for a little girl. Here's another one with different kinds of leaves, and I am not quite sure which is which. All I know is that's a fern. There's another fern, and that looks like an elephant ear, and there's a flower, and I have no idea. That's probably some kind of palm, but this item number is DIY WH0167564112, and there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 stamps on that one. And here's another one with more leaves, which I am more familiar with. There's the maple leaf, the fern leaf, I believe that's an elm leaf. This is another maple leaf. This looks like an oak leaf. This might be a different type of oak leaf. You can see them better on this side, I suppose. And they're all good size, and I've used one of them in something I was doing, but you'll see more of them as I go along. And this number is X DIY F05311. And the last stamp set I have is, hold on, this one. It has a bird, hello, music, a border, beautiful world, some butterflies, goodbye, a leaf, a feather, a flower, some script, and a typewriter. And I was thinking, when I was in school, we used electric typewriters, and yeah, this is going to date me some, and they had Pica and Elite, and a lot of the Elite, I believe it was, looked more like handwriting, kind of fancier than the Pica. And if you could get some of this text over into this little typewriter, that would be cute. So, did I give you the item number on this one? DIY WH0167562219. And there are, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 stamps on that one. And then the last item I got were stencils, and there are 10 of them. And the number is PHDIYG00511. They're all kind of like a Mandela stencil. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. We have extra pieces in these. They weren't popped out when it was manufactured, but it's not a big deal. They just pop out like anything else. We're gonna fight with that on camera because I don't want to rip it or anything, but they're just the same quality as you get at the store. I have no problems with any of these products. I will be using them shortly and sending over a couple more videos. And if you'd like to view my join our Facebook group, it's Studio 28E Journal Creations. We'd love to have you, and I will be back with some tutorials or usages for these items that I've received from Globleland.com. Well, thank you for watching. Please give me a thumbs up for this video, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Thank you.